first flip. Yay, it works.
That switch did not work the first time.
That works.
They left us some furniture.
So let's see if we can, oh, there we go. Looks like we have a piece of furniture. Okay. We have some window treatments. I'm not sure they're the best. We might want to do something about that. What do we need in this room, Jack?
Paint on the wall.
You think we need paint?
In here.
We go in here and see what we have. Again, we have some furniture somebody donated to us. Do you need a desk, Jack?
I do not.
What do you think we ought to do with this room, Jack?
Paint it. Make it.
You don't like that blue?
I hate the blue.
Excellent.
Smooth it.
So hallway, this goes back to the living room where we came in. We got a bath here. And let's check this out. Other than it's ugly, but it's simple to fix it if we just paint it a little bit. Light fixture, pretty bad. Giant mirror is not that good without a frame. Okay. So then we have this. This was probably a little girl's room. I'm guessing. What do you think gave me the first clue?
This is pink.
The pink.
Yeah.
All the rooms have popcorn ceilings. Not a big deal, really. This room is actually not bad. We got some holes in the walls that kind of need some fix up. It might need a little painting, but it's not really too bad.
Energy sucker.
Cost for, this little girl wanted do not enter to be the rule. What do we have here? This would be a linen closet, probably.
Just move it over to the master.
So this is the master. And just look at all the stuff on the walls.
Just stuff.
And of course we have a kind of a vaulted ceiling
Popcorn ceiling.
and popcorn ceiling. Kind of like a church steeple ceiling.
It's glorious.
That's, you like that, do you?
Love it.
Love
They
it.
should stay.
A little valance, and blinds look like they've seen better days. Let's look here at the master bath. What do you think?
It's different.
We have a shower. Okay. And we have a tub. Like a whirlpool tub. Pretty good. All right.
Feature control for that is in here.
Okay. So then we have the water closet area, toilet area. Looks like it just needs a little touch-up paint. We probably need to get rid of the wallpaper.
Definitely.
And I assume that's the switch for the closet.
Right here.
Yep,
Very bright.
pretty big closet. Oh yeah, this is the control for the Whirlpool bath. Yep, it works. And the carpet, really bad in here.
Oh yeah.
Carpet is really bad. So we gotta have new carpet probably for this. Okay. Back to the hallway. So this carpet in here also has some really grossness to it. And what about in the blue room?
Yeah. Pretty dirty. Not as bad as the other rooms.
Not as bad as the other rooms, but pretty bad. True?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Start with the hallway. And we're back in the living room. So lead off, let's see what we got.
Right. There's a laundry room right here.
Laundry room. Place for both washer
Washer
and dryer.
some racks.
And some racks.
Make our way into the kitchen.
Okay.
Have the island. More wallpaper.
The wallpaper is pretty disgusting.
It's very disgusting.
What do you think of the appliances?
I think they're older than me.
Not too bad. Not too bad. And then we have a dishwasher over here. That doesn't look too bad either. A little out of date, probably.
Little pantry.
Very small pantry. Cabinetry, refrigerator would go there.
Mm-hmm.
Pantry above. Cabinets are pretty nice.
They are pretty nice. They're actually in good shape.
And you got a disposer unit here. Does it work? Yep. Okay. You probably ought to get rid of the wallpaper though.
Definitely.
And obviously this room needs painting.
Mm-hmm.
Fireplace
Gas, fire.
doesn't look too bad. Just needs, most everything else needs to be painted.
Mm-hmm.
Got a television rack there above it. Hang a TV.
More popcorn ceiling.
Yep.
1 can light. 2 can lights.
Couple of cans, and the control would be
Right there.
right over here. So that would be the fan. That would be that can. That would be the fan. This would be the fan light. Okay, can't seem to figure that one out. Maybe it's one of these guys.
And that's it.
That's it. All right.
The carpet in here.
So, okay, here's a key.
I saw that to the back door.
All right. Good.
This carpet is
And this carpet is really
a
bad.
big bald spot.
Okay. The hardwood floors are pretty nice, wherever they are. The carpet throughout probably needs to be replaced, wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm.
This just needs to be cleaned up, it'll be fine. They left us their mat in front of the sink. There you go. No telling. Would that be a water meter thing?
Water shut off tool. You want to hit the door?
Sure. Okay. So here, it looks like we have a little hole in the wall over here. Kind of needs to be repaired. That's not a big deal. Most everything else on the wall can be just kind of mudded and painted. Okay. Huh. So we got a little rocking going on with the LiftMaster. Not a big deal, but okay. All right, let's go to the backyard and so we have a little backyard. Pretty small backyard, but it needs a lot of cleanup. We have somebody made a little homemade welcome thing. Seen better days. Looks like we got a hole in the ground over there that needs to be filled in.
Another hole over there.
Yep. So we need some cleanup back here. Okay. And over here, we have a little side yard. So we mostly just need a lot of cleanup back here. maybe some planting to kind of make it look nice. And you got the overhang there, not quite a pergola, but close. Provide a little shade, I guess. Looks like they've tried to do a few things. Okay.